Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Monday the 8th of February's maths lesson, and we are going to look at our 5 times tables and multiply by 5. So here's a couple of videos that you can watch to help you practice your 5 times tables. There is the Liverpool Maths 5 times table video and the 5 times table song on YouTube, which will help you learn your times tables to 5. Both of these links will be on the sway for mums and dads to click on to find. Right, let's have a look at the pattern in our 5 times table. Can you see any pattern in our times table facts from 5 times tables? Take a look at the last number on each of our timetable fact. What do you notice? Each number of our 5 times table ends in a 5 or a 0, and it takes it in turns. 5, then 10, which ends in a 0, 15, which ends in a 5, 20, a 0, 25 is a 5, and so on. So the pattern of our 5 times table goes with the number ending 5 and then 0, then 5 and then 0. We can check this when we complete our number line. So let's take a look. 5, 10. What number will come here and what does it end in? 15, and that ends in a 5. Well done if you spotted that. Let's count on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What number will come next in our timetables? 35, and it ends in a 5. Well spotted. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done if you got that. And 55 and 60. You can see the pattern of our times tables to 5. Each answer ends in a 5 or a 0. So let's have a look at counting in 5s. We can use our knowledge and our learning that we have done before when we looked at equal groups to help us count groups of 5 quicker. How many marbles are all together? Now, we can look at the groups of marbles. How many jars have we got? How many groups of marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 groups, and how many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have equal groups of 5. So to count all the marbles together when we know that there are 5 in each jar, it is quicker to count up in 5s. So let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20. So there are 20 marbles altogether. And our number sentence will say that there are 4 groups, 4 jars, and there are 5 in each jar. So we know that 4 times 5 equals 20. Let's try another. Now we know that our hands have 5 fingers on each hand. So we need to count how many fingers there are in total. We know we are going to count in 5s because there are 5 fingers on each hand. But how many equal groups have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 hands with 5 fingers on each hand. So let's count up in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We know that there are 25 fingers in total, and 5, lots of 5, or 5 times 5 equals 25. Now let's use our learning to match the pictures to our timetable facts. Take a look at our first times image. We have blocks of bricks. There are 5 bricks in each block, and we know that they are equal groups. Let's count how many groups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 blocks, tower blocks with 5 cubes in each tower. So if we have 5 towers with 5 blocks in each, what number fact do we need to match it to? Either point to your screen or shout out loud. Well done if you got that. 5 lots of 5 for our number fact. Let's have a look at our 10 frame. We have how many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And both our groups are equal. There are 5 counters on our 10 frame, and we know that because we know that our 10 frame has 10 spaces and there are 5 in each. Half of 10 is 5. How many 10 frames have we got? 1, 2. So we have 2 10 frames with 5 on each. What number facts can we match this to? Well done if you got it. 2 lots of 5. Now our number line is counting up in what number? 0 to get to 5, we've added 5. To get from 5 to 10, we have added 5. From 10 to 15, we have added 5 each time. So we know if we have counted to 5, how many jumps have we done? 1, 2, 3. So we have jumped, we have added 5 each time. We have added 5 3 times. Which number fact will that match? Well done if you got it. And our last number fact will go to our last representation. We have 1 dice with 5 dots on the face. Well done if you managed to match the times table facts. So to work out our next number sentences, we need to remember our symbols. We need to remember less than, greater than, or equal to. And to find out if 3 times 5 is less than, greater than, or equal to 5 times 5, we need to work out the answers. So let's do 3 times 5. We have 3 lots. We have 3 lots of 5. We are adding 5 each time. Let's count our times table fact together. 5, 10, 15. So we know that 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 2, we have 2 lots of 5. Or we could have 5 lots of 2. But today, because we're counting in 5s and it is quicker, we can do 2 lots of 5. So let's count together. 5 and another 5 equals 10. Well done if you spotted that. Which one is greater, 15 or 10? Well done. 15 is greater than 10. Now our next question is 10 times 5 and 5 times 10. Now when we did our lessons with Mrs. Terry, we know when we look at arrays, it doesn't matter which way around our numbers go in our times table fact. They are the same answer. So let's work out one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, lots of 5. 10, lots of 5. Let's count our counters of 5 using our 5 times table knowledge. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. We know that 10 times 5 is 50. Excuse my writing with this pen, boys and girls. And we know that it doesn't matter which way around it goes, it will be the same answer. So 5 times 10 is also 50. So we know that they are equal. Now 4 times 5, let's work this out. Oh, let's go back, let's work this out together. 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 5. And let's count our groups of 5, 5, 10, 15 and 20. We know that 4 times 5 is 20. Now you should know from your times tables of 2s with Mrs. Tarry that 11 times 2 is, shout it out, 22. Well done. And we know that 22 is greater than 20. So let's have a look at our problem. Kat says the bar model shows 5 lots of 6. This is our bar model and it has our multiplication factor at the bottom and at the top the amount that it equals. So let's see. Do we have 5 lots of 6? Do we have 5 lots of something? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do not have 5 lots of them. We have 6. Do we have 5 lots of 6? No, because we have in our box 5s. So we don't have lots of 6, we have lots of 5s. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 5. So Kat is wrong. Explain how you know. We know this because our bar model shows that there are 6 lots of 5, not 5 lots of 6. 6 lots of 5. But remember our arrays. 6 lots of 5 equals 30. But if we did another bar model, we could say that 5 lots of 6 are equal to 30. So even though our times table fact make the same answer, our diagram does not show 5 lots of 6. Cookies come in 5 packs. Mo has 18 cookies. How many full packs can be made and how many can be left over? This is a tricky question. We need to read our sentence and find out our facts about and how we can work this out. Our first fact is that cookies come in packs of 5. So in each bag we will have 5 cookies. We need to fill our packs with 5 cookies. But we only have 18 cookies. So let's count our bags of cookies together. Here's our first bag of cookies. We can only put 5 in. Let's put 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we haven't got to 18 yet, so we have more cookies left over. We have enough cookies to put in another bag. Let's see. Let's count on. We've used 5 cookies. Let's count on. 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can fit 5 cookies in each bag and we have used 10 cookies. Now if we've used 10 cookies, that means we've used 110. How many cookies have we got left? We have got 8 cookies left. Let's count on. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've filled our third bag. That's our first, our second and our third bag. Have we got to 18 yet? Not yet. That means we still have some cookies. Let's see how many cookies we've got. So we had 5, and another 5 is 10, and another 5 is 15. So let's count on from 15 till we get to 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. Do we have enough cookies to fill another bag? No, we do not, because we need 5 cookies to fill a bag. So how many bags of cookies did we have? How many full packs of cookies do we have? 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 bags of cookies. How many do we have left over? 3. So Mo can make 3 full packs of cookies with 3 left over. We did that by using our knowledge of counting in 5s to fill each bag. We counted up in 5s until we reached 18. Well done if you were able to follow that question. Now your first task for learning is to complete our number sentences, complete our times table facts. Write down your answers and complete the box. So let's do the first one together. 5 times 5 equals. 5 times 5, we can count in 5s, and we need 5 lots of 5. So you can draw to help you if you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5. Let's count up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we know that 5 times 5 is 25. So you complete your number facts for these sentences, but be careful for questions like this one and this one and this one. These questions already have our answer. 5 lots of something equals 40. 5 lots of something, 5 times something is 35. See if you can use your knowledge to answer those questions. And if you can do that and you find that easy, carry on with our second task. Now we looked at this in our first part of our learning. Task 2 and task 3 are our challenges. So if you complete our first task easy, you can move on to the next challenge. Write greater than, less than or equal to each calculation. Now you need to work out using your number facts of your 5 times tables what each side equals to know what we need in the middle. We did this during this PowerPoint, so you should be able to do that. And our third and final challenge is our word problem. A sandwich costs £2 and a box of crayons costs £5. Jack buys 5 sandwiches and 3 boxes of crayons. How much does he spend in total? You need to use your knowledge of 5 times tables and 2 times tables. This is a big challenge, but I think some of you will be able to do it. So rewind the video and pause onto the task that you are going to complete. Task 1 first, and if you would like a challenge, task 2 and 3. Hopefully I will see you all soon, and love to see your work on Tapestry. You are all working super hard. So good luck with these ones, and we'll see you again soon.